I'm Josh Gittleman, and this video shows how to print hard copies from Python. There are many tutorials that show how to do this in Windows, but this one's for Macs. We'll use the LP function from the sh package to print PDFs, JPEGs, and so on. I'll cover basic printing, printer selection, and a few options. Let's open my printer demo module into idle and import LP from sh. sh lets you execute Unix shell commands from within Python, such as line print. Now, let's save it and run it so we know it works. If you have problems with this, see the end of the video, but we are ready to print. The syntax for basic printing is just LP and file name in parentheses. So we'll copy the file name from the Finder. Note it's a text file, and we need the extension. Also, this file is in the same folder as my printing demo module, so this example doesn't need the path. Now let's paste the file name into our function. It's a string, so put it in quotes. Save and run, and file 1 appears in the print queue. Note the printer's paused, so the file will just sit in the queue. Let's comment out the first LP command, and now we'll include the path so we can print from a different folder. Let's go back to our Finder window, open the Files to Print folder, and select File 2, a PNG file. I'll copy the full path and file name from the menu at the bottom right corner of the window. Now let's paste it into the command line, add the final quote and close parentheses, save and run, and file 2 appears in the print queue. Okay, let's comment that out, and now we'll see how to change printers. To specify a printer from your network, LP uses the -D option. In the sh package, this option has to be preset or baked into the LP function. I'm storing the baked in option in LPCP. Then when we run LPCP, Python actually executes LP-D, and we just have to add the printer name as an argument along with the file to print. Those we will put into string variables. We'll grab the printer name from the print monitor settings. Note it's the actual device name, not the alias. We'll copy and paste that into place. Then let's store the path and file names separately. First, we'll store the path name for the Files to Print folder in a variable called path, and then we'll grab the file name. Finally, let's combine them into the File to Print variable. And I forgot to separate the path from the file name, so let's add a front slash here, save it, run it, and file 3 appears in the print queue. Okay, let's copy our code to the next section and add some formatting options. We'll again use string variables to hold the arguments, including page orientation, fit to page, double-sided printing, and printing only select pages. These options can be in any order, and now we'll set our values. Each formatting argument is preceded by a -O, that's a lowercase letter O. We'll use landscape for orientation. We're going to fit to page. We'll print double-sided, long edge. There are also single-sided and short edge options. And a cool feature of page ranges is that when you print only selected pages, the numbers don't have to be sequential. Now let's grab the file name. The path is already set, of course. Copy and paste it into place. Save and run, and file 4 appears in the print queue. Thanks for watching. All questions and constructive comments are welcome. You can ignore the rest of this video unless you need help installing the sh package. If you got an error message when you tried to import the LP function, you probably need to install the sh package. To do this, first let's find the terminal by holding down the command key and pressing the space bar. Then type terminal. Open it and type pip install sh. Then press return. You should see something like this. If not, you probably need to install pip. I recommend this website, which I also posted in the comments section. Now with pip installed, we can import LP.